Oh my goodness, you know, I saved this one for last because I'm already out of breath. I just did the push-ups. Now it's time to go into the ladder burpees. All right, so if you've never done burpees with a ladder, this drill is amazing. It's a great way if you're a personal trainer to get your clients to do more burpees. There's multiple ways of doing it. I'm gonna show you the basics of it. Follow along. All right, so with the burpees, what we're trying to do is, again, like the push-ups, use the rungs as guidance for people. So if you're doing this on your own, all you're trying to do is get your hands in each box. If you really want to get crazy with a 10-rung ladder, you can do 20 burpees by doing the box this way and doing it inside. So basically I would go here, then here, then here. So that's like 20 with a 10-rung ladder. But the easiest way is just to have people put their hands in each box. Make sure that your left and your right hand hit each box, and if you're on the outside, to use that too. So here, let's get into it. All you're doing here is going down into your burpee, push up, come up, jump to the side, back down. So you can see, gives me a nice little lateral jump. And this is easy if you have multiple people working out to stack them up next to each other and get them moving together. So it's a great group exercise, great for core, everything. You know about burpees.